Number 1. 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado, $6,000, Dearborn, Michigan. This 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado is one of the most historically significant American cars of the 1960s. Located in Dearborn, Michigan and priced at $6,000, this luxury coupe features Oldsmobile's powerful V8 engine and the groundbreaking front-wheel drive platform that made the Toronado famous. Showing 73,103 miles, the car is described as having a strong running engine, brand new exhaust system, and very good tires. Finished in white with a burgundy interior, this Toronado offers the dramatic styling and advanced engineering that helped it earn numerous automotive awards when new. The first-generation Toronado remains highly collectible today, and this example appears to be a solid driver-quality classic with plenty of appeal for enthusiasts. Number 2. 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Sport Coupe Deluxe, $8,800, Waterford, Michigan. Offered in Waterford, Michigan, for $8,800, this 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Sport Coupe Deluxe has been transformed into a modernized street machine. Under the hood is a Generation 3 5.3-liter V8 engine featuring upgraded valve springs, performance camshaft, fuel injectors, and a Holley Terminator X engine management system. Power is sent through a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Previously turbocharged and now naturally aspirated, the car is tuned for regular gasoline and is described as loud, fast, and extremely entertaining to drive. The classic post-war Chevrolet styling, combined with modern V8 performance, creates a unique Resto Mod package that offers both vintage looks and contemporary reliability. Number 3. 1980 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale, $5,000, Columbus, Ohio. This 1980 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale is available in Columbus, Ohio for $5,000. Showing 84,959 miles, the car presents as a clean and well-maintained full-size sedan finished in burgundy inside and out. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, battery, alternator, and fuel filter. The seller notes only minor surface rust beneath the rear passenger side window. The Delta 88 was known for its comfortable ride, dependable V8 power, and traditional American luxury. This example appears to be a solid survivor that could serve as an enjoyable weekend cruiser or affordable collector car. Number 4. 1978 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $2,995, Steubenville, Ohio. Priced at only $2,995 in Steubenville, Ohio, this 1978 Ford Thunderbird offers a budget-friendly entry into classic personal luxury car ownership. Purchased from the original owner and stored since 1987, the car features Ford's dependable 351 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller reports numerous recent improvements, including 4 new tires and a rebuilt carburetor. While a few additional items still require attention, the car runs and drives. Late 70s Thunderbirds remain popular for their distinctive styling, plush interiors, and relaxed cruising characteristics, making this a potentially rewarding project. Number 5. 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Car, Cartier, $9,500, Carmel, Indiana. This 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Car Cartier Edition is offered in Carmel, Indiana for $9,500. Showing just 79,800 miles and finished in brown with a tan interior, the car represents the height of American luxury during the late 1970s. A particularly desirable feature is the functioning Cartier dashboard clock, a hallmark of Lincoln's premium trim levels. The seller reports smooth driving characteristics and a well-preserved interior. Although minor damage exists on the trunk and roof, the overall condition appears impressive. These town cars are known for their exceptional ride comfort, spacious interiors, and commanding road presence. Number 6. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair convertible, $4,500, Hebron, Kentucky. Located in Hebron, Kentucky, this 1963 Chevrolet Corvair convertible is available for $4,500. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car runs and drives while offering open-air motoring that made the Corvair popular among enthusiasts. The convertible top is reported to be in excellent condition and fully functional. Floor replacements have already been completed, and the paint remains presentable. While the upholstery shows some wear, the interior remains complete and usable. The Corvair's rear-engine design and unique driving characteristics continue to attract collectors looking for something different from traditional American classics. Number 7. 1976 Ford Thunderbird, $7,500, Vermilion, Ohio. Despite the listing title discrepancy, this vehicle is described as a beautifully maintained Ford Thunderbird offered in Vermilion, Ohio for $7,500. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the car reportedly remains exceptionally clean inside and out. Recent improvements include a new vinyl top, new headliner, replacement window trim components, new tires and wheels, a fully rebuilt brake system, and a custom dual exhaust setup. The V8 engine has also received performance upgrades, including an aluminum intake manifold, Holley carburetor, and upgraded ignition system. This Thunderbird appears to be a highly usable classic cruiser, with tasteful enhancements that improve both reliability and performance. Number 8. 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, $9,800, Akron, Ohio. This one-owner 1976 Chrysler Cordoba is offered in Akron, Ohio for $9,800. Showing just 61,600 miles, the car remains remarkably original, retaining its factory paint and interior. Powered by Chrysler's 400 cubic inch V8 engine, the car originally used the lean burn ignition system, which has been professionally replaced with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor setup for improved reliability. The original components are included with the sale. With solid frame rails, rust-free torque boxes, and documented indoor storage throughout its life, this Cordoba stands out as an exceptionally preserved example of Chrysler's popular personal luxury coupe. Number 9. 1966 Plymouth Valiant, $9,500, Odessa, Texas. Located in Odessa, Texas, this 1966 Plymouth Valiant is far more than a stock compact sedan. Under the hood sits a 360 cubic inch LA Series V8 equipped with Magnum cylinder heads, Edelbrock Performer RPM air gap intake manifold, ceramic-coated headers, and a performance-oriented automatic transmission. Additional upgrades include Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, an Auburn limited slip differential, Moser axles, and an upgraded rear axle assembly. While some rust is present and most factory gauges are inoperative, the mechanical package is extremely impressive. This Valiant would make an excellent street performance car or the foundation for an even more serious muscle car build. Number 10. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe Inline 6, $11,000, Rowland Heights, California. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is available in Rowland Heights, California for $11,000. Powered by the original inline 6-cylinder engine and Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, the car represents the simple and reliable side of early Mustang ownership. The seller describes the car as rust-free, with a clean California title and a very clean undercarriage. Recent maintenance includes fresh oil and new spark plugs, while an aluminum radiator and electric cooling fan have been installed to improve reliability. Although the carburetor could benefit from tuning and the front seats need attention, this Mustang offers a strong foundation for a collector seeking an honest driver quality example. Number 11. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $11,500, Renton, Washington. Offered in Renton, Washington for $11,500, this 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a highly original survivor. Showing 150,000 miles, the car retains its original paint, original interior, and original mechanical components. The Cutlass Supreme was one of the best-selling intermediate cars of the muscle car era, praised for its handsome styling, comfortable ride, and durable drivetrains. The seller reports that the vehicle runs and drives well, requiring only minor attention to reach its full potential. Original examples such as this are becoming increasingly difficult to find, adding to its collector appeal. Number 12. 1973 Ford Mustang Fastback, $13,000, Post Falls, Idaho. Priced at $13,000, this 1973 Ford Mustang Fastback in Post Falls, Idaho, combines strong performance with substantial recent restoration work. Power comes from Ford's respected 351 Cleveland 4-barrel V8 engine, an engine known for its excellent breathing characteristics and strong horsepower potential. The car has received numerous upgrades, including a new fuel tank, aluminum radiator, distributor, fuel pump, battery, spark plugs, carburetor, dash, carpet, and Magnum 500 wheels with new tires. With a straight body and solid structure, this Mustang offers buyers a running and driving project that already has many expensive repairs completed. Number 13. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Corsa 140, $12,500, Paradise Valley, Arizona. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Corsa 140 is a highly desirable performance-oriented Corvair offered in Paradise Valley, Arizona for $12,500. A true one-owner car, it retains its original 140 horsepower air-cooled flat-six engine, factory 4-speed manual transmission, and factory 4-carburetor induction system. Showing 120,000 original miles, the car remains largely original and is described as running and driving exceptionally well. The Corsa was the top performance Corvair model, making this example especially attractive to collectors. With factory power seats and documented ownership history, it represents one of the strongest Corvair offerings currently available. Number 14. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda hardtop, $12,000, Clinton, Washington. Located in Clinton, Washington, this 1968 Plymouth Barracuda hardtop is offered for $12,000 as a running and driving project car. Power comes from Chrysler's durable slant-six engine paired with a newly installed automatic transmission. Recent work includes new brakes, tires, battery, and fuel pump. The glass, wipers, and window mechanisms are reported to function properly. However, the car does have body rust, interior wear, paint deterioration, and various cosmetic imperfections that will require restoration. First-generation Barracudas have developed a strong following in recent years, and this example provides an opportunity to acquire a complete project with a solid mechanical starting point.